Hey, welcome, it's James from Finney Electrical, and this is a little montage video then celebrating all the great works that Josh, the editor's done, who edits all this channel then. So he's going to compile a little Christmas special then of all the funny moments that is compiled over this year. So let's see what he's got in store for us. Let's get into this. Which then goes out to your 2-pot valve. So it goes supply, programmer, stat, and then 2-pot valve. So basically with your 2-pot valve there's 5 cords. I know it's a lot to take in, but just go with the flow. Then when we do it in real life it might make a bit more sense.
My head is exploding! I can't think!
No! 2, go. 3, go. 4, go. 5, go. Do not let the team down, go for it.
Got this little Gatling gun. Hasta la vista, baby. Right, we've got the perfect angle then. So when you're figuring out these angles then, you've got to figure out how far back. You've got to figure out where this wall is, here. So we kind of measured out, so you add these up, these steps up, add that up, add that little lip up, add that up. So as you minus off that. And then what we did is get the depth of the actual wall. So there you go, that's how you kind of figure out how to angle a drill.
Was one of the most brilliant minds of his generation. He saw the world in ways that no one could imagine.
This flies in the face of 150 years of theory.
A beautiful mind.
Flipping heck. Yeah, let's see what else he's got for us then. It's all cracked and yeah, he just wants it swapping over. Ugh, look at that.
Oh my god! It's black!
Absolute, just died. So you got a little consumer unit that come out of there to loads of sockets like that. There'll be loads of little sockets on there. Now, if we want to add the little bedroom, left hand side of bed, right hand side of bed socket, what we're going to do is split this, and we send that cable to here, little link between, and then connect it back on, obviously, onto that connection there. So you've made one bigger ring.
At 110 million, who'll give me 120? Give me 140, 130 million. 140 million is bid at 140 million.
Our lass is out, so happy days. So that's harsh, that like. But no, we're just, it's good to meet up with business people and just kind of share contacts and yeah, just have a bit of fun. That's how you do business really, isn't it? We're in there, so we've gone past the Wearer store. We've got Makita here. The lads have betrayed us, haven't they, Brian? Yeah. We're Milwaukee red through and through. Look at them. Can't be doing that to us. What's going on?
On the trail.
It's like beer pong, isn't it? Really? It's like beer pong, but with tea bags.
Nope. Honestly, that was a shambles, that.
That's not a football one. No, it's not. Oh, terrible.
Oh, terrible.
Foot front one. Oh, off the back.
Hey! Hello.
It's not good. I think from the players' point of view, they really should be embarrassed.
Look at this. He's had to show him his sleeves. Bottle of wine. Go on, lad. Look at that. Hey, go on.
How old are you, McLowan?
Old enough.
Old enough for what?
It's a party.
So this is where we do his run out or something. Is it a walkout run out when you get a gold card? What's that on FIFA when you get a gold?
Walkout.
A walkout. There we go.
English. Oh, get out of the pack, mate. Get out of the pack. We don't need this today.
It's coming down tunnel.
Oh, that's what I do interviews like. What's that here, like? Yeah, it's nice to be on pitch again. He'd been out a couple of weeks, you know, so.
From an injury.
Yeah.
Just waiting for Ed and he's
he's a bit whipped at the moment, so. Yeah, got to wait for him, but yeah, it's been a good game. Can't wait to bat for the next one.
knowing we left nothing behind. Sorry, I couldn't hear your conversation as I was trying to speak. Yeah, okay? It's gaffer, mate.
Oh, what anticipation there is. A city in which you are never far from history. A team chasing a first piece of European club silverware For them, a chance to be both remembered and revered forever.
No seller, you little dancer!
Ball.
Oh, that sandwich were beautiful. But yeah, we didn't film it, I forgot. We got back and we ate it, and then I forgot to film the end of the video because we got called off to somewhere. Hopefully Josh can find. Last time we ate there and it was absolutely beautiful with a steak and ale. I don't know if that's classed as drinking on the job. Steak and ale pie with the stuff in it. Oh, it was so good.
And look, a little bit of early dinner because the wife, I love her dearly, but her cooking ain't that great. And we've got a stunning beef and ale pipe, and of course a bit of gravy. And you know me, I never look when I pour, because I am the absolute governor.
Just went to Middlesbrough this morning and just had a little job. When a solicitor's office, you can't really film in there, because it's all like special cases and GDPR and all that, you know. Can't be putting people's information out. There we go, Ellis is signing up.
Thanks for leaking all my information, James.
Oh yeah. Jordan never falls asleep in the van, do you? Never. So we got three in the bed today. The little one said,
I don't go to sleep.
I don't go to sleep. What we've done then, so you saw we did a socket circuit, the insulation resistance, so it has to be. We've got three in the bed today. The little one said,
I don't go to sleep.
Yeah, that bollard's going to get lit up. So there's only a couple of ways of doing it. So you can get a tube light, that's plastic.
You need to stop that right now! It's the family show!
Yeah, this guy's an interesting guy. He used to shut down like Russian banks and stuff like that. And he'd be in meetings, there'd be CIA there, there'd be KGB, there'd be all these crazy people in there. And then some people won't turn up the next day because they've fallen out of a window.
And today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 ambitious crossover events in history. Number 1.
Finney Electrical and MI6.
They've fallen out of a window, so yeah. I won't say who he is.
Yeah, you do actually.
What's this? Stephen Merchant?
Stephen Merchant.
Let's have a look then.
Oh, he actually doesn't like him, you know.
Right, we'll have to do a side by side. I said, he's Stephen Merchant. You're Carl Pilkington. Now Ricky Gervais. And then we've got Warwick Davis down here.
Need to put a few pounds on that.
Here we go, we've got Jonah adding Alice's mum on Facebook. Alice says, that's it, I'm adding Jonah's mum now. He's found her.
Is that your mum? I told her not to come and pick me up. She's fit.
So you want my email address? So I'm on phone with the scammer. He's saying I've got a Sky. I don't even have Sky. I can't remember it. Can you tell me what it is? So he's trying to get all my details out of me. He goes, hello, from Sky, I'll just pass you over, and I can hear him pull out phone and pass it to his mate. Yeah, this is Stephen from Sky. Oh, flipping out, they're time wasters. So, what are you after again? But yeah, they just waste people's. If I can waste his time, just sat on phone whilst I'm working. He's not scamming other people, is he?
Down with up to 40% off with your same existing contract with your same services that you're using with us.
Yeah, I'm using all the services. Is this Stephen?
Yeah.
So I don't know my email. What?
Piece of I'll your mother very hard. Piece of bloody.
Are you a scammer?
Just shut up. Just shut up.
Well, let's get back to it. He's picked out some corkers, hasn't he? So yeah, I enjoyed all those. So I love all the little thumbnails he puts together as well. I always get a few great laughs from those, like Brian the Bounty Hunter. That were a good one. But yeah, I don't know where he comes up with all these ideas, the editor. Sometimes it's me, I'll say, oh, I want, if you remember Dog the Bounty Hunter, for example, let's get Brian there and impose his face on it. But sometimes he just goes off on his own thing, and yeah, you get some crazy ideas coming out. So tell me in the comments below then if you like all the little snippets that Josh puts in. I personally love them. It's a great bit of fun, and it just kind of breaks up the video a bit, and he ends up most of the time ripping out at me. So this is the Christmas special then. So Merry Christmas. I know it's just gone. It's now the 28th of December, something like that. Just done a bit of snowboarding, so we had Christmas. Went to go snowboarding last week and the brand broke down, so yeah, it's not good. So I had to get that towed away, so I'm in the little van now for a short period of time, so you might see the little van in a few episodes, which will be a bit different. But yeah, I'm working out of this Mini, not a Mini Cooper, but this little Citroen Berlingo then, so we're back with the old setup. But yeah, and then I've just been snowboarding today then, having a great time. I've had a few days. What I like to do is have a few days off where I just do nothing, and then I get bored of doing nothing, and then I'm fighting fit, ready just to go for next year then, when I'm motivated just to go out and smash it this year. You want to tell us what you're doing then for your New Year's? Comment below. Hello Sunday crew then, tell me what you're doing as well. We'll be loving and liking your comments. So as you know then, we do a live stream every Sunday at 8 PM, so if you want to join in the chat, it'd be good to see you there. Everyone's super friendly, and yeah, we just know all the little details of everyone's lives, which is pretty cool, having that little community. So yeah, this is a Merry Christmas from me and the lads that are not here obviously. But yeah, I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and you're just chilling out with the family, ready to get fighting fit for next year. Let's see what 2025's got coming up for Finney Electrical. We want to finally push through the coffee because it's taking the make. We're stuck on the packaging, but I'm just going to do it, and if it's not as presentable as I want it to be, then it is what it is, and we'll just keep improving it. Sometimes it's best just to go and give it a go. The coffee itself is amazing. We've spent ages trying out loads of different coffees. We had some coffees that tasted like it was Indian coffee, just tasted like a foot. There was all these different coffees. We've been on a barista course, so we know how to make it and produce the best flavours for it. How to actually create the coffee, because there's quite an art to it, which I didn't realise. But yeah, so we've got that coming up. New engineers starting, so we're putting some adverts out, so we want a new engineer. These are my goals for 2025. And what else? And then just to enhance the team then, so the team gets more and more knowledge on different stuff, so everyone will be an all-rounder essentially. They'll know every single thing about all the bits we do in electrics, and everyone's absolute amazing. They're amazing as they are, but yeah, everyone just needs tweaking in different areas, including myself. We can't always know it, we're not perfect, but yeah, so that's the goal. So 2025, we'll keep on with the training. New engineer, we've got the Finney Electrical merch coming out, so let's get it. So as always, if you've liked this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification, ding ding, to let us know when we've next uploaded. This is perfect time at the van. Yeah, I'm filming this in the van. Have a good Christmas everyone, have a good New Year. Top Electrician. Have a good one. Go smash it.